Phocuswright is excited to share our new client portal with you. We've combined our existing subscription coordinator functionality with new custom and special project portals so that every touchpoint you have with Phocuswright research can be found in one place. Open access subscription coordinators are able to manage users and run reports, and client project coordinators can access important information regarding their projects all through the dashboard. If you haven't yet activated your account, you'll need to do that first in order to access the dashboard and client portal. Please follow the instructions in the subscription coordinator tutorial video to activate your account. Let's review the subscription coordinator functionality. As subscription coordinator, you serve as the liaison between your organization and Phocuswright's customer concierge department. Click on the Manage Subscription tab. You can confirm your access start and end dates on the Subscriptions tab. Click on the View Users link to manage your users. All users will have a status of active, pending, or deleted. You can search for a particular user by entering their information into the search bar. To deactivate a user, select them from the list and click on Deactivate User. To reactivate a deleted user, select them from the list and click Reactivate User. If you need to add a new user, click on the Invite New User button. Fill in their email address and they will receive an email invitation to activate their account. To review your current approved email domains, click on the Registered Email Domains link. If you need to add or remove email domains, please email us at customerconcierge@phocuswright.com. We also offer on-demand usage reports so you can see what publications your users have been accessing. Click on Reports in the tabs on the top of the page and click on Customer Usage Report. Enter the dates you'd like to search for activity for and click Generate Report. You can use the drop-down box to look at usage by publication and user. Download a PDF or Excel spreadsheet quickly and easily. If you need assistance setting up access to analyst sessions, finding content, running reports, or login issues, please contact us at customerconcierge@phocuswright.com. We're here to help.